This is the WORKPRO garden tool bag. This one has the drop down framing in it, which I like, and I'll show you that. And it also has plenty of room in there. This thing's pretty deep. The company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It's got 5 hard rubber feet on the bottom, and this bottom is like cardboard or something. I can feel a little bit of padding in there. Feels pretty durable. First off, it arrived like this. It was shipped flat, and it has these 2 wires folded over the top. So after I got these interior wires into place and I opened it up, I was surprised to see the amount of space that you actually have in here. The opening's about 12 inches this way, 8 inches this way, and it's about 11 inches deep. We have 2 pockets on the inside. One has a mesh on it so you can see what's going on in there. And both these pockets are 7 inches deep. As a matter of fact, all the pockets on the bag are 7 inches deep. And you can see, you can get plenty of stuff in here. It's almost like a regular tool bag if I was going to work on a job site. There are actually 6 elastic straps on here. So if you wanted to hold something in place like this dibber or whatever you want, it just gives you more options to store stuff and get more things in there. And with these frames that go in, they've got stiff wire on the outside of here. It just holds this bag completely open, which I love because it's way easier to see inside of there for one thing. And it's easier when you're doing something to just reach down and grab in there. You don't have to fiddle with opening up the bag. Also, it'll stand up on its own, which I think is great, obviously, if you don't have too much weight on one side or the other. The bag is made of some kind of Oxford cloth material. It feels very durable, just like something I would take to work on a job site, to be honest with you. You can see there are more elastic straps on the outside, and there are 8 exterior pockets, 3 on the front, 3 on the back, and you've got larger pockets, 1 on each side. It has your typical bag handles on here with a little Velcro strap if you wanted to put it together. And it also came with a shoulder strap that you can attach onto the sides. It has a foam padded section for comfort. I usually don't use shoulder straps, but then I realized it's good for hanging the bag up on a fence or wherever to keep the bag out of the mud when I'm using it. It'll also work to hang it up when I'm done with it. I want to store it away like that. There you go. Nice durable feeling bag. Plenty of deep pockets to store a variety of your garden tools in or household tools. Plenty of room in there. I love that the mouth stays open. Very nice.